Welcome to Buok Farm, located at Barangay Kapayuran, Pigkawayan, North Cotabato. Ito po yung mga vitamins na kadalasang ginagamit namin. Leukotrol, Viubit, Egg Booster, Viubit. Ito po yung vitamins na ginagamit namin. Composed of vitamin A, D3 at E. Plus selenium pa siya. Tapos ginagamit namin ito every morning. Tapos 4 grams per gallon lang yung ginagamit namin. Leukotrol. Composed of pyrimethamine, hydrochloride, vitamin K3, vitamin B12, and sodium sulfamonotocin. Ginagamit po ito for prevention and treatment for avian malaria. Tapos pag prevention lang yung gamitin mo, magamit ka ng 1 teaspoon or 5 grams per 5 gallons of water for 2 consecutive days. And for treatment naman, 1 to 3 teaspoon or 5 to 15 grams per 5 gallon of water for 5 to 7 days. Yun lang po. Egg Booster, zinc, bacitracin, and multivitamins. And also, it is antibacterial and water soluble for prevention to environmental stress.